Hello everyone, this is a 42-inch Hampton Bay Harbor light, new in box. This is an early generation, very clearly made by SMC, that I got for $20 from the Habitat Restore in New Braunfels quite a while ago. And it's just been kind of hanging out in my loft. So I figured let's bring it down and make a video of it. It's antique brass. And no light kit, 4 blades, reversible from walnut to oak. We got, that's the Habitat price sticker. There's that side of the box. All 4 sides pretty much the same. This of course would have originally been sold at Home Depot. Let's see here, we got the manual showing one in white. All this fun stuff. Installing in the Spanish section. Blades, walnut, oak. More blades, walnut, oak. We got the brackets. I love that style of SMC bracket, the little heart shape in the middle. Balancing kit, a must-have for any Hampton Bay. Got the mounting bracket and motor housing. Oops. Hardware pack with 2 fobs, which is interesting because it does not have a light kit. That's the little deal for securing the motor onto the mounting plate. And there's the motor itself. Very impressive size, he said sarcastically. Whereas most of these SMCs have very small motors. But I like them nonetheless. So, yeah. That's it for that. I'm going to put it up for a demonstration video, so look forward to that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.